several generations or iterations of folks talk about Berlin is becoming or Berlin is over. And there are this kind of alternating ideas. But at the same time, there's still something unwieldy about it. And I think about
what do you mean by unwieldy?
I mean that despite authority or state control, there are multiple narratives that are stemming and spilling out from one site. So one, for example, the topography of terror. This was a area that was a former seat of the Gestapo and SS, and it was a place of great violence and notoriety during World War II and the Holocaust. And during the war, it was heavily bombed, and eventually kind of a vacant lot grew over it. And there was no official mark from the city. When you go there now, you'll see one of the final remaining street-length runs of ruin of the Berlin Wall. It wasn't meant to necessarily be there, but it happens to have been preserved because of this other effort to bring out Nazi history and to make that public. There's a museum that was slated for that site, and it is open now, but far more compelling is the provisional site outside, arguably. Yeah. Of course, when you're standing at a vantage point in the site, you can also see advertisements for Coca-Cola and Die Welt, and you kind of get these convergences historically. So for me, that's part of the unwieldy. We didn't anticipate that these eras would coalesce in these kind of ways. Yeah,
I mean, it's one of the beautiful things about the city. I think that it is unresolved. I mean, to me, the thing about the wall that was always very, and I mean, tell me how many of you have had this experience. I think people go and they want to see the wall, and it's not there. I mean, you can see a little thing, but you don't quite get it, and you then think, I must be missing it, and where was the wall, and how can I go to find where the wall was? And I mean, this erasure is an extraordinary act. It seems almost to me like a violation. Cleaning up history and throwing it out, that's not good. Leaving it as a ruin is not moving forward, and simply moving forward and ignoring history and saying things begin now is also not true. So I think it's only in Berlin.